Yeah, obviously, I think set piece is a massive part of their game, and the lineouts is really good under Coach Warren Whiteley there at the moment. Obviously, I played with the Chichuka brothers. Emil was here on loan as well for a little bit, so we know them a little bit. But yeah, they've got a very, very good lineout system. They're putting the teams under pressure contesting wise, and their own ball is also very good. So it's going to be a massive battle. Both teams need to win their ball, so it's going to be a big battle this weekend. Yeah, look, I think after the loss against the Bulls, we had a good look at ourselves. We know we went up to standard on the day. Physicality hasn't been an issue for us throughout the season, so we need to make a step up against the Sharks. We know it's a SA derby, so everything starts with physicality. So I think if we can win that battle as a forward pack, we lay a great platform for our backline players. We've got exciting backs to score some amazing tries. So yeah, definitely start up front. Yeah, I mean, if you grew up in South Africa, everyone watched SA derbies back in the day. That was like the highlight of a weekend. So to be able to play against SA rivals these days is very nice, and to play them home and away is lovely. I really enjoy the experience, and it's always good crowds, which is lovely for us. So yeah, it's a really nice experience, and hopefully we can continue making the SA derbies as big as it is at the moment. Get some decent crowds in. I think it's good for SA rugby. Yeah, look, I think the results weren't as good as we would have liked, but I think we've been working on really good fundamentals. One or two bad bounces of the ball sometimes, as I said in the previous interview. The Bulls, we know we weren't good enough on the day, so we actually took the shots that we needed to take on that and put it behind us. And now we had a very good week last week of prep. This week is a nice week of prep against the Sharks. So yeah, I think just building our habits and fundamentals. We know what we are good at, and we know what we need to improve on. So I think we've been working hard at that, and hopefully we can show that this weekend. Yeah, well, it starts at set piece. I mean, if you beat him in scrum, beat him at line out, beat him in physicality, I think we really have very exciting backs, as I alluded to earlier, that can really change a game. So I think it's our responsibility as forwards to lay the platform for our backs, and then we know what they can do from the back. So yeah, I think on your question, it's basically a physical battle more than just running the ball around this weekend, like in the SA Derby is. And we lost that physical battle against the Bulls the previous time. So yeah, I think both teams will be up for it this weekend. It's going to be a lovely game to watch. Dankie. So ja, die vorige keer teen die Sharks, ek dink alles begin voor. Dis regtig 'n fisiese game. Enige SA Derby is 'n baie fisiese game. So ek dink as ons as 'n forward pak goeie scrums kan hê, goeie lynstaan hê, goeie physicality kan hê, kan ons regtig 'n goeie platform lê vir ons back 3, ons backline spelers om vir ons ongelooflike drie kan druk. Ek dink almal weet wat ons back 3 kan doen. So ek dink as ons as forwards opstep en 'n goeie platform vir hulle kan lê, dink ek hulle is regtig dangerous. En ja, ons weet ons gaan dit moet bring die naweek. Hulle is desperate, ons is desperate. Albei spanne wil wen. So ja, dit gaan 'n lekker fisiese game wees om te kyk. Yeah, on your point, I think it's a great question. Yeah, I was laid off for quite a bit of time last year. I had a shoulder injury which wasn't great actually in training here. So I think for me personally to start playing again and just building confidence. I mean, any time that you've been out long, being in a knee, a shoulder, ankle, whatever, I think you just need to find your confidence again and belief in yourself. And I think we're doing that as a team, and I think the team is helping me a lot to get that back at the personal level as well. Because I really think if everyone performs at the best in our team, I think we can be a really, really good team. So I think the team has helped me a lot with that as well. Yeah, I think all of our locks come along very well with each other. I think we've got good relationships with each other. It's not like one or two or three guys get along very well and two or three other guys get along not so well. So I think what the coaches have done is that we are able to play different pairings on a different weekend depending on what that game asks from us. So I think from my side, I'm comfortable playing with any lock. In my opinion, I've got good relationships with Etienne, Ruben, Venter, everyone. So for me, it doesn't really matter with who I play. I think they'll definitely bring the best out of me, and I'll try to bring the best out of them.